Good morning and welcome back to Schloop's Garage. It is Wednesday morning. I'm just posting an update video for you guys, show some progress on the car. We got the front brakes swapped out. So, if you can see in here, you got disc brakes. Obviously the wheels are on the car now as well. I was going to post a video showing how to swap these out. It started raining and I just wanted to get it done. So they're on the car. It stops a whole lot better. When I took them apart, I found that this passenger side wheel cylinder had blown out and was leaking. So that's why I was losing brake pressure and fluid. But as you can see, the car looks awesome with the new wheels and tires. You can check out my older videos for what size wheels and tires they are, offsets or backspacing, all that stuff. So future plans for the car right now is apparently these cars came with what they called a transmission controlled spark system. My car doesn't use that anymore because I put a HEI on it. Well, I didn't put an HEI on it, somebody put an HEI on it. So my plan is to go through, delete all that wiring that doesn't need to be there anymore, and we'll try to clean up some of the rest of the wiring. We'll go through that together when I get a chance. But I just wanted to post a short update video on what the car is looking like. It's looking great. And also I'm testing out this new mic. I bought an external mic for my phone to make better audio recordings. It's a little windy out here right now, so I'm gonna see if this will make things any better for you guys. That way you don't have to pick up the wind noise. So hopefully that's working out. If it does, I'll post a link in the description of what I bought, and you can check it out for yourselves. But that'll wrap up this video. Thanks guys for tuning in. Hope you like the updates. Share, comment, subscribe, and we'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.